Prison hooch. This is how you make it without having to use yeast, without having to use bread, marmite, scrapings from your feet. All you have to do is get your apple, take out the inner core, put in a sachet of sugar, put the core back on top, leave it in a plastic container on the window ledge for about a week. That will turn into fruit syrup, like a fruit cocktail. You give it another week, every now and again open the lid to let the air out, gas out, air in, and it will ferment. After 2 weeks, that will be alcohol. And all you have to do is just keep adding fruit, water and sugar. Eventually, you get yourself some nice homemade hooch. Pop it in the kettle, put it on the boil, capture the steam, and that becomes spirits.